Shyam Steel Industries presents Shyam Thermix TMT bars. With the rising sun in the dawn of our independence in 1950, a small steel plant was set up in Howrah, heralding the birth of Shyam Steel Industries. From its humble beginning, Shyam Steel Industries has steadily strived to be a trusted name in the field of steel products used in building construction. The company now owns 3 factories in and around Howrah, catering to the need of a fast-growing and highly competitive market of structural steel, feeding various engineering houses. The latest addition to their crown is a state-of-the-art rolling mill in Durgapur, the Roar of Bengal. This highly efficient plant is equipped with the latest Thermix thermomechanical treatment process with technical collaboration with HSE Germany, and the only high-speed delivery system in India with secondary steel producers, and has a capacity of producing 100,000 tons of steel Thermix TMT bars per annum. Shyam Thermix TMT bars embody the vision of Shyam Steel Industries, providing superior quality products to people at competitive prices, and the zeal to fulfill this endeavor starts right at the procurement of raw material. The mill uses superior quality of billets produced by SAIL to manufacture Shyam Thermix TMT bars. The high temperature in the sophisticated furnace, duly computerized and equipped with temperature control devices, heats up the billets, making it ready for the rolling process. The red-hot billets emerge from the furnace and follow a programmed path on conveyor belts through a series of rollers, which presses the square-shaped billet into a cylindrical bar. The red-hot bar then passes through grooves, which are again set accordingly to yield a bar of desired diameter in a continuous process. Bar is then treated in the unique Thermix thermomechanical treatment process in technical collaboration with HSE Germany. This is a highly technical process in which steel bars are universally water quenched under controlled conditions. As a result, the surface layer of the steel converts to a hardened structure called martensite, whereas the core remains austenitic. The heat existing in the steel bar core causes the surface temperature to increase, resulting in a heat-treated structure with high strength and good toughen properties. In the final stages, the Thermix thermomechanically treated bars are cut and passed on to the cooling bed through the most sophisticated automatic high-speed delivery set of twin channels. After normal cooling, the austenitic core converts to a ductile ferrite perlite core. The cooled Thermix TMT bars are then cut according to a standard size and stored for dispatch. Right from feeding the billets into the furnace till the cooling table, the whole process is automated, duly fitted with sensors, resulting in standard quality, high productivity, and minimum losses. Shyam Thermix TMT bars have an obvious edge over the existing reinforcement bars. The hard martensite core renders the bar with better strength, corrosion resistance, and fire resistance properties, while the softer inner core makes the bar highly elastic. Higher yield strength coupled with high bendability, rebendability, and elongation makes the concrete structure endure higher stress and strain. Shyam Thermex TMT bars are the natural choice for construction in humid coastal areas, as the impregnable outer core makes the bars rust and corrosion resistant. Shyam Thermex TMT bars are also safe in the case of fire and can retain their strength at temperatures as high as 600 degrees centigrade. The low carbon content makes the bars easier to weld with no loss of strength at the joints. Apart from making construction strong and safe, one can trust Shyam Thermex TMT bars to cut down on the cost of construction, as higher the guaranteed yield strength, lower the reinforcement required, leading to a lowering of cost by 20%. Quality is maintained in every stage of our manufacturing process. The groove passes of each section are developed and regularly maintained by specialized technicians and modern machines on the shop floor. Strict quality checks are synonymous with the manufacturing process and starts with the raw materials. Raw materials that do not fit the required chemical composition are rejected. Samples are collected regularly from the production line for testing the physical, chemical, and metallurgical properties. In the chemical laboratory, the samples are analyzed to detect the content of sulfur, manganese, carbon, phosphorus, and silicon. In the physical laboratory, the bars are tested according to the requirement of the relevant BIS specifications, like proof, stress, tensile strength, elongation, and bendability. The metallurgical tests performed on the samples detect the formation of the outer martensite ring and the inner ferrite pearlite core properly. Shyam Thermex TMT bars conform to IS 1786 of 1985, grade FE 415, FE 500, FE 550, and CRS quality. An automated and modern manufacturing process minimizing human error, strict quality control, and a highly specialized and dedicated workforce makes it possible to roll out a superior product. Shyam Thermex TMT bars, the hallmark of our trusted steel, lies in our accolades, the coveted ISO 9001 of 2000 certification, Bharatiya Udyog Ratan Award, and the Bharat Vikas Award. SAIL trusts Shyam Steel Industries to convert its steel into Thermex TMT bars. Different government and private concerns all over India and abroad are regular customers of Shyam Thermex TMT bars. Apart from bulk order supplies, Shyam Thermex TMT bars are available for smaller purposes all over the country through an extensive network of dealers. In fact, Shyam Thermex TMT bars are available in all major cities in the country. Our imbibed quality throughout our manufacturing process and our qualitative and administrative processes have won the trust of millions. But at Shyam Steel Industries, the quest for improvement never ends. We understand the need for better processes and products, as steel is the strength of the millennium, which supports our homes and our industries, shaping our lives like never before. Shyam Thermex TMT bars, the steel you can trust on since 1950s.